Hey guys, just doing a quick video for you. Give you a little bit of flavor of what to expect at our holiday open house this coming Thursday night from 6 to 9 p.m. and then again on Friday and Saturday from 11 to 6. So this is the upstairs room, one of the 4 rooms upstairs that we decorate, along with the whole bottom floor of the store. It's an old house from 1920, built by a pioneering businesswoman of Fullerton, Lillian. She's built this incredible house. I've had my store in here for 19 years now. It never ceases to amaze me, the craftsmanship that she put into this house. It's really unique. So here's some of the room here. We'll kind of zoom around here. We're downstairs kind of completing the whole bottom floor right now, so I can do at least the top floor. There's one of the trees. I wanted to point these out. These are new this year. These are just awesome. Check these out. These are ornaments for the tree that have an LED candle in them. And you can see how they just flicker, and you can turn them on with a remote control, so you can hang them on the tree, and at night you get like this beautiful candle flame. They come in their own decorative box, so they're great hostess gifts. If this is something you're interested in, don't wait too long. I anticipate those going really quick. There's about 7 different styles in them. So we have them on some of the different trees. So we come around here to this cabinet. A little bit of aspen wreath, the antlers. Come around down here to the cabinet. You see the sideboard right here. Suzanne Blender did an awesome job painting this antique sideboard that I found on one of my antique trips. She did it in like a French blue-gray. It's just awesome. Really talented. I'm going to back around here. One of the tables here. Another one of the trees. Is this video getting you guys in the mood for Christmas? Even though the Santa Ana winds are blowing outside. You step in the house, you just escape. The store is amazing. You walk through the door, you feel like you're in a whole other world. Anyhow, that's a quick little video of Lillian's room. Probably post another one tomorrow. When we finish doing the bottom floor, here's another one of those ornaments with the candles. It was like a winter branch ornament. Aren't those great? Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys can make it out this season. Do yourself a favor. Treat yourself. Bye.